Hello, so today I'll be discussing the Science Daily article that I found to be pretty interesting about why some cancer drugs may be ineffective. And this data is sourced from the University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston. So, in this study, investigators looked at patient-derived xenografts, or PDX models, and these models are derived by implanting human tumor tissues into immunodeficient mice with the idea of growing the human tumor cells in these mice. That way we can test different cancer treatments on the mice instead of humans. And what they found was when you put the human tumor in a mouse, that the tumor is not the same as it was in the cancer patient. And this is because the majority of the tumors were compromised by mouse viruses. The researchers analyzed 184 data sets generated from sequencing PDX samples. Of the 184 samples, 170 showed the presence of mouse viruses, which again is not good because these viruses have been shown to create significant changes in the tumors, leading them to believe that maybe PDX models aren't the best approach to finding cancer treatment because you assume that the treatment that would work on the mice and kill these tumors would work in the human trials, but it's been shown that they aren't because of the significant changes that they undergo due to the mouse viruses.